Assalamu alaikum. Today's video I will show how to create workspace in Oracle Apex. I will show two methods. One is simple method and another is wizard method. If our operating system is Linux, then we need to know at first I have to start database. In my previous video I have showed how to start database 23 AI in Linux. So please follow that video, it will help you. After that, second step is I need to start ORDS. If it is Windows operating system, then it may be start automatically, but for Linux it should be start manually. Now I need to create a user in database. After that I need to log in my default workspace. Now I will create a workspace using newly created user, and I will make application in this workspace. After that log in newly created workspace in Apex. Select or click App Builder. And this is my new application. You can create your form, you can design your form, you can create your script, etc. Before we created workspace as pause, so I am logging with pause here. This is first method. I will now show the second method. You make workspace using wizard. This is very interesting. See, select second one, create an application using wizard. I will create a blank page. Actually using wizard I need to create a page, so I will create a blank page. I will select design, I will select layout, I will select another extra feature, all of feature. It will help me. See, I will select all of feature. Now just I will click create. Workspace is creating. Please stay connected. I will share step by step all of the process in Oracle Apex. So don't miss any video. Just connected, see our video and you will help. See, this is the workspace. Thank you very much.